Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hello.
Hi, Michelle.
How are you, Maria? I'm good.
Hey, Michelle. This is Francis, too.
Hi, Francis. How are you?
Sorry. Someone cut us off.
Okay, Garmin. Save video. Holy are you
I would go, are they lacerations? And do you have...
What? No, I'm glad you said it. I'm not ready for this conversation.
Oh my god, radio. I'm good.
Half hour, maybe a little more. You're driving. A lot of corn. Jeez, dude! What the f*** was higher than an L.
Holy crap!
Had Bobby Gross, and you had Dr. Jack Ransom. That was good. That was good.
Your driving sucks! You fuck...
Holy f***.
Then see how it says 8 custard rule data processing.
Yes!
It says something.
Go get him!
So it's processing the copy and paste.
Yeah!
Our second. I didn't see the front.
At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Oh, jeepers. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Did you throw that?
are a lot higher than a three-pointer, and the odds of going in and drawing a foul are way higher than when you're behind the arc. I don't understand why the athletes let them know.
Ooh.
Time slipped away from him as he worked. He was utterly engrossed in the menial task of carving away the stone.
Says don't walk.
He carved
Says don't walk.
This is her daughter.
This just happened last week because I was sitting in my house. They must have took this bitch.
Whoa! Okay, we gotta clean our language.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ask you to go upstage for a second. I'm
Yes,
gonna
sir, I will.
I thought bigger speaker, more sound, more quality. Alright. Jesus.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.